Hello, welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car, the 2018 320D M Sport Saloon. Vehicle is presented in sapphire black metallic. Features the warranty body enhancement kit alongside some nicer features from BMW. As with all of our cars, it is of course physically in stock, ready to be driven away. If you'd like to know anything more about this superb Saloon 3 Series, do check out the description box, as I'll leave contact and web link details below in the description. From the website you can see prices, funding options and our simple, easy to use finance calculator. Or of course, if you prefer, you can get in touch via text, email, WhatsApp, telephone, or the usual contact routes. But let's get straight into talking about this M Sport 320D Saloon. With the in-house enhancement kit, we've got the 20-inch 405M style alloy wheels, brand new with 4 brand new tyres. LED front and LED rear lights, gloss front splitter, matching kidney grills. You've got the YNCM performance decals, side sill extensions in gloss black, aero mirrors. We're going to get a chance to have a proper look through the interior in a few minutes. As you can see, it's got rear privacy glass. The bodywork has been kept in a really nice, clean, tidy condition. Gloss black rear spoiler, and the same for the rear diffuser. As I mentioned, rear LED lights. As with any 3 Series Saloon, even this car's predecessor, it always does offer fantastic boot space, as you can see. And this one has also got the split folding seat option. So again, that is going to be even better space and practicality. Let's get around to the passenger side then. As you can see, the clean, tidy bodywork continues. And inside we've got 4 black leather, 3-seat Isofix rear bench, central folding armrest. As you can see, giving you that split folding seat function really will be very, very useful. For the drivers and passengers, front seats again all nice and neat and tidy. This one is an 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. We've got the superb high gloss black interior trim set on this car. And we're going to go back around, take a seat inside the driver's side. I'll start the car up for you and of course run over a couple of the interior features and functions in a bit more detail for you. Beginning with the multi-function M Sport steering wheel. You've got cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume functions. So start the car up then. Car's covered just over 74,000 miles. And whilst on paper it does sound quite a bit of mileage for the age of the car, you have to bear in mind it is a 320D M Sport Saloon, and the mileage is no way near reflected on in terms of the interior or exterior condition of this car. It's in fantastic condition. You have got business nav and media, so that's your nav view. You've got Bluetooth, telephone and audio. You've also got DAB, USB, and of course we've spoken about the Bluetooth audio. Let's check out the service status. Next service not due for 19,000 miles. Just been serviced at BMW, so as you can see the car's been thoroughly looked after. Really good, clean, tidy example of the always practical, great to drive 320D M Sport Saloon. If you'd like to know anything more, please do go ahead and check the description box. But for the time being, thank you, take care, bye bye.